Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, topic money, which is covered in chapter 11 money, starting on page number 171 of your textbook titled Essential Mathematics and is being submitted to you on 1st of February 2021. Students, I hope through our previous topic, you might have learned about the conversion of money as well as addition and subtraction of money. Now, through this topic, we will be learning about multiplication and division of money. Students, sometimes we know the cost of one item and want to know the cost of a number of such items. For this, we need to multiply. Let us first solve some simple multiplication questions. For solving multiplication sums, you must be knowing tables in dodging form. Let's see example 1. The question is, multiply the following amounts. A part, rupees 14.45 multiplied by 6. It is 14 rupees and 45 paisa, which is to be multiplied by 6. That means, for example, you know the cost of one item, that is rupees 14.45, and you need to calculate the cost of 6 such items. For that, we need to multiply the given amount by 6. So, on multiplying by 6, 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carryovers. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27, 2 carryovers. 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26, 2 carryovers. 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8. The answer comes out to be rupee 86.70. Now, coming on to the B part, which is rupees 6.50 multiplying by 8. And when rupees 6.50 is multiplied by 8, the answer comes out to be rupees 52. Now, let us solve few statement sums based on the concept of multiplication. The example is, one pencil costs rupees 3.50. How much will 5 such pencils cost? Cost of one pencil is rupees 3.50. Now, we need to calculate the cost of 5 such pencils. So, what is the method? The method is to multiply the given cost of one pencil by 5. So, when we multiplied it, the answer comes out to be rupees 17.50. As we can see here, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 2 is the carryover, 5 threes are 15 plus 2, 17. Putting a dot, counting the 2 digits from the right, it is rupees 17.50. So, the cost of 5 pencils is rupees 17.50. See one more example. A notebook costs 25 rupees 75 paise. What amount will Ravi pay for 8 such notebooks? We need to see the cost of one notebook which is given to us is rupees 25.75. Now, as we need to calculate the cost of 8 such notebooks, So it is rupees 25.75 multiplied by 8. On multiplying by 8, the answer comes out to be rupee 206. So, the cost of 8 such notebooks is rupee 206. Children, remember in multiplication, total cost when we need to calculate, it is equal to cost of 1 multiplied by the number of things. Let us now start with division of money. When we know the cost of a number of items and want to know the cost of one item, we need to divide. Now, let us solve few division questions. The first example is we have to divide the following amounts. A part, rupee 7056 is to be divided by 8. So first of all, making the division sum by putting the dividend in the box and dividing it by 8, which is the divisor. We'll be just doing the simple division as we are doing it. 8 8s are 64. 10 minus 4 is 6. Putting 5 down, again 8 8s are 64. Putting 6 down, the number is 16 now. So look for 16 in the table of 8. 8 2s are 16. So when rupee 7056 is to be divided by 8, the answer comes out to be rupees 882. Let's check out one more. 2394 is to be divided by 9. So again the same method is to be used. First of all, 9 2s are 18. 23 minus 18 will do 5. Putting down 9. 9 6 are 54. You know that we have to take the number which is smaller than the upper number. Again, 9 minus 4 is 5. Putting 4 down, 54. 54 comes in the table of 9. 9 6 are 54. And the answer is rupee 266. Now, we need to divide rupee 45.54 by 6. Making the division sum, it is rupees 45.54. So first of all, look for 45 in the table of 6. It is 6 7s are 42 because 45 doesn't comes in the table of 6. So 45 minus 42 is 3. Putting down 5 now, it is 6 5s are 30. Again, putting down 4 now, 6 9s are 54. Always remember, we need to put a dot after counting from 2 digits from the right. So the answer comes out to be here is rupees 7.59. That is 7 rupees and 59 paise. See the D part now. Rupees 64.40 is to be divided by 10. It is the division by 10. So it is 10 6 are 60. 4 minus 0 is 4. Putting 4 down, 10 4s are 40. 44 minus 40 is again 40. Putting 0 down, again 10 4s are 40. Remember to put the dot. The answer comes out to be rupee 6.44. So, if both rupees and paise is given, always remember to put point after counting from 2 digits from the right. Now, we will move on further and solve some word problems based on division. So, if we are solving these word problems, the A part is the cost of 7 liters of petrol is rupees 1568, and we have to calculate the cost of what will be the cost of 1 liter of petrol. Cost of 7 liters of petrol is rupees 1568, and we need to calculate the cost of 1 liter. So what we'll be doing? We'll be multiplying the cost, that is 1568 by 7. So, making the division sum, 1568 is the dividend here and 7 is the divisor. So, calculating it, 7 2s are 14, 5 minus 4 is 1, putting 6 down, again 7 2s are 14, 16 minus 14 is 2, putting 8 down, the number becomes 28, and in the table of 7, it is 7 4s are 28. So, cost of 1 liter of petrol is equal to rupees 224. See one more example. 3 copies of a book cost rupees 1695. What is the cost of each book? So, what we have been given? We have been given the cost of 3 copies of a book, that is equal to rupees 1695. And so, the cost of each book, it is equal to rupees 1695 divided by 3. So, making the division sum, 1695 divided by 3. First of all, look for 16. 3 5s are 15. 6 minus 5 is 1. Putting 9 down, we have to look for 19 in the table of 3. The smaller number than 19 is 18. So 3 6s are 18. 9 minus 8 is 1, making it 15. 3 5s are 15. So the cost of each book is rupees 565. So students, to know the cost of one item, we need to divide. Hence, cost of one thing is equal to cost of the given number of things divided by the number of things. So students, I hope you all must have understood when to multiply and when to divide the given amount. So here I am giving you some questions as your home assignment. You need to solve the following questions from exercise 11.4. The question number 1 is part B, D, G and H. Then question number 3 and question number 4. And from exercise 11.5, you need to do question number 1. The parts are B, D and F. Then question number 2 and question number 3. Thank you, students.